Hello kids, welcome to Light Bache. It's nice to meet you.
Friends, I am Yashas. I have got cute toddlers.
Wow!
And I am a today I will show you a new toddler. Your eyes.
Yes!
Open your eyes. See, its name is Happy Camel. Let's open it.
Wow!
See? Wow, it's just so nice. See? It has a whole nose. It has a tall neck. It has a tall tail. See, it has a sound.